Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this video I will show you constructor object. So in my previous video I have shown what is object, the basic of object, and in this video I will show you the constructor object. If you haven't watched my previous video, so go to my channel and there you will get the playlist, and in this playlist you will find JavaScript basic to advanced, the playlist name. So you can follow that playlist. So now here first of all I will show you the basic object. So that time we write the variable name and the object name, suppose the mobile, and equals to object sign and some properties. Name is the Samsung, or suppose Galaxy, and after that comma, and the RAM, another property, that is 2 GB. Okay, like this way we create the basic object. So if you want to get details, so you have to watch my previous video. Now here I will create the constructor object. So this is one syntax for creating object. Now I will show you the creating for constructor object. Constructor object. Okay. So here you have to write one keyword. The keyword is function, and after that you have to write the name. Okay. So first here I will not create the object. I will in constructor object you have to create method. So whatever I'm writing the code for this one, that will be called method. Okay. So now here the method name. Okay. So method name I will write same like here I have created this basic object. So I will comment it. This is basic object. Okay. So here in this time I have written this object name is mobile. So same here I will write mobile, and after that you have to write the parenthesis and now the object sign. Okay. So here another difference is this time I have written this is the small letter, but in this time I have written this is the capital letter. So if you want to write small letter you can do it, but in the documentation or some other places, like when you will read about the constructor object, you will find the this name will start from capital letter. This is not the mandatory thing, but this is the thing like which we follow. Okay, some rules we need to follow, so that's why we write it capital letter. Okay, and after that here I have added two properties. So in this case we will not call it properties, we will call it parameter. Okay, so here I will pass parameter name, same parameter. Okay, just see I'm doing the same thing, but here the syntactually different. And why? So you are thinking when I'm doing the same thing, but why we are creating constructor object? Because here is the benefit. Okay, and what is the benefit? That I will show you in this video also. So now here name and RAM, two parameters I have passed here. So now after that I have to write one variable. So here this you have to use this keyword always. If you don't use this keyword, so it will not work. Because why this means in JavaScript it will denote the owner. Owner means here when I'm writing this keyword inside this one, so here the owner is this method. Okay, so when I will write this, so it will take this one only, not this one. Okay, because this one wrapped by this. Okay, so this dot, the variable name, you can write anything. So I have written names, and in this variable now I will pass this parameter. Okay, and here you have to write semicolon, in this time comma, but here you have to write semicolon, and here colon you have to write here equals to. Okay, there is some difference. Now here these dot rams, these are the variable name, you can write anything. So this ram you have to pass this one. So one thing you have to follow, like here you have written the parameter name is name and ram, but here if you pass something else, so it will not work. Okay, you have to pass here the parameter, and whatever parameter you have added here. So I hope up to that it is clear. And then another thing, So when you will read in the documentation, so you will find the variable name and the parameter name are same. Actually we write like this way, okay, but here I'm writing names and rams, just making a simple difference because you can easily understand, you cannot be confused. Like this is the variable name and those are the parameter name. Say here you won't be confused, okay. So this method is created. Now this method, just I have passed the parameter, but in this object time I have passed parameter and value in the same time, but here I did not add the value. So now here I will add the value. So here I will write one keyword for defining a variable. So this is const. There is three kind of keyword, val, let and const. If you want to get more details, so in the same playlist you have to check the first video. So const and the variable name. So variable name here I will write brand 1 or brand Samsung, okay, equals to, here this method I will create into an object, or you can say it convert into an object. So new, this is the keyword, you cannot change it, new, okay, new, then mobile and this one, okay, means the same thing. From here to here you have to copy, okay. So now instead of name, here I will pass the value. So name will be Galaxy and the RAM will be 2 GB, okay. So now you want to call this object, so just simply console.log and this variable name, okay, like this. If you want to get only the so if you call like this way, you will get entire value. So let's see once. So I will open console and here I will show you, okay, I have to refresh once first. Now I will open console and you can see here now, see entire object I'm getting, two properties, names and names, and the values of those two properties. But if you want to call only this name, so here you have to call this one, not this one, because this is the parameter name. At the end, this parameter value I am assigning here. So you have to call dot names only. So you can get only the Galaxy. So here refresh and again I have to open the console. See, I am getting only Galaxy. So here this is the simple thing, right? And this one also simple thing. So and the same thing it is returning. So why I am creating the constructor object? So suppose, just assume here we are creating a site for mobile seller. So this mobile seller site can be sold different kind of brands, okay, not only Samsung brand or not only Apple brand, Apple brand, okay, it can be sold different kind of brand. So that time here, so always it will be a name in the brand, okay, when I'm selling a mobile, so there will be mobile name, mobile RAM, okay, internal storage, okay, those kind of properties are same. So here, so this is for Samsung. So now in the same site I want to sell Apple mobile, okay. So now just think about the simple object. So I want to sell the Apple mobile. So here I will create another object for Apple, okay. So here I will write here the variable name mobile 1 and this name I will write here Apple iPhone, and here suppose this is the 4 GB. So see, entire object I'm creating here, but if you notice name property and name property both are the same for both, okay. So why I will create this name and name twice, okay. So here, so for the solution here we create constructor object. So just this method no need to copy again. So just simply I will copy this one and I will pass here, okay. So first one is for the Samsung, next one it will be for Apple, okay. So I will write Apple, okay, and here I will pass the value is iPhone and this is 4 GB. Okay, now same way, if I want to call this, I mean if I want to show the brand of apple, so here I will pass here brand apple and same names, right? Because here also names, so no need to create those property twice. But in the object time, see, without creating twice we cannot do that, but here only one time I will create the method, and after that I will call this method again and again. I will just change the value only. Okay, so this is the simple thing. Now if you are thinking, suppose this Samsung brand providing one extra feature, or this iPhone brand providing one extra features, so this time here I can write, suppose this Samsung brand providing one extra features. Okay, the extra features, it can be something, okay, like here just assuming here it has a gift like screen protector. Okay, screen hyphen protector. Okay, screen protector true. Okay, so means it is providing screen protector, or else you can pass here yes, it is providing screen protector. Okay, when you will buy the Samsung mobile, so you will get this screen protector extra features. But in the Apple case, we all know, in the charger also we need to buy. Okay, that it doesn't provide. Okay, so this is the thing, and here we don't get, here also see charger. Okay, charger also yes, but in this case no charger, right? We need to buy it separately. So here in the object, this constructor object time, how we can pass those two features, I mean this screen protector and charger, only for the Samsung. Okay, that also we can do, okay, in the constructor object. So in the next video I will show you how we can do it. So if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel to understand the JavaScript.